What's going on, Mindvalley? My name is Austin Willman. Over the next couple minutes, I'm gonna tell you about my life, about our future together, and I'm gonna do it through social media. I grew up in a small town called Attica in the middle of Ohio, under 1,000 people. The only option here after high school was to either go to college, get a job in one of the factories, or become a farmer like both sides of my family. Did I really want to go to college in the first place? No, absolutely not. Nobody ever told me that there was something else that I could do. I didn't have to go to school for it. I could create my own lifestyle. I didn't figure that out until after I graduated in 2015 with a psychology degree. So what did I do when I graduated college? I decided to get a real job.
I got a job at a collections agency calling people who were late on their debts. And I decided I do not want to be on the opposite end of this phone. Or on this end of this phone.
So, I started reading and studying on my own. A lot.
That experience at the call center scared me. I started to realize that if I did what everybody else did, I would just get what everybody else got. And that was not okay with me. So I made the decision that no matter how strong the social influence was, I was not going to put myself in a box that society created for me. So at the end of 2017, I cut off everything and I moved back in with my mom. I gotta get out of here. What can I do? What can I do? I created Micropreneurship. Micropreneurship is a course that is meant to help young adults figure out who they are before they have to decide what they want to do. We do this in a competition format. It's almost like a mini business competition where people can come in, bring the problems that they see in the world or in their community or in their own lives, and come up with creative solutions for it in a group-like setting, in a short time frame, so they can really leverage their gut feelings and what they're good at, and kind of decipher where the direction they want to take their lives before they have to make the financial commitment to college or a long-term commitment to a job that they don't like just because they feel like they're forced to go into it. I had to step outside of my comfort zone every day, reach out to people who I was uncomfortable reaching out to because I thought they were basically out of my league, or like maybe they didn't want to hear what I had to say. I talked to heads of education, superintendents. I was meeting with new people every week to spread my idea of how I thought the future of education should be shaped. I presented it to a local nonprofit sponsored through United Way, and it actually got funding for a summer program that we launched. So along with Micropreneurship, I started a program called Mastermind. This was geared more toward the small business owners and the budding entrepreneurs in the community to share each other's perspectives and to help each other overcome the issues that they're having in their own business or in their own life. And the concept here was to really get down below the surface level and understand that other people's perspectives can be incredibly empowering to overcoming your own issues and to pushing yourself and your business and your life forward. We need more people like you! I know that there's a spot for me at Mindvalley, whether that be a course creation specialist or a Tribe Facilitator or somewhere else that I can fit in with my passion for education, personal development, my compassion for other people, my creativity, and my energy. I can't harness it by myself anymore. I have to be a part of something bigger, and I think Mindvalley is the place for me to be. So I'm really looking forward to talking with you soon and seeing your beautiful faces in your beautiful office in Malaysia. Thank you for watching. I hope this was entertaining to you and you got as much enjoyment out of hearing my perspective and what I want to do as much as I had fun creating this video. I'm Austin Willman. I'm 26 from Ohio, and I will see you soon. Welcome to the show.
So guess what happened next? I became obsessed with reading. I became obsessed with growth. I became obsessed with development. I couldn't shut up about it. I still can't shut up about it. Some people think I've gone bonkers because I read all the time and I can't stop talking to people about the code of the extraordinary mind, and not just the title of the book. I mean, actually, really, how the mind works and how people grow. It's my passion. It's my passion.